Welcome to Freedomfully, where we explore living fully and aging gracefully.
Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome back to Freedomfully. I'm so delighted you're here with me today. You know, I recently received a heartwarming message from a viewer who said, "I've always loved gardening, but now I live in an apartment with just a small balcony. I miss having my hands in the soil and growing my own food, but I don't think there's enough space." Beloved viewer, if you're watching this, I have wonderful news for you, and for anyone else who thinks they need acres of land to garden. Some of the most productive and beautiful gardens I've ever seen have been on balconies, patios, and small outdoor spaces. Today, we're going to explore how to create a thriving balcony garden that brings you joy, provides fresh herbs and vegetables, and connects you with the natural world, all in whatever space you have available. Let's start by assessing your space and understanding what's possible. The first thing to consider is sunlight. Most vegetables and flowering plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, while herbs and leafy greens can often thrive with 4 to 6 hours. Spend a day observing your balcony. Notice where the sun hits at different times and for how long. This will help you determine what you can grow and where to place different plants. Don't be discouraged if you have a north-facing balcony or limited direct sun. There are many beautiful plants that thrive in partial shade, including lettuce, spinach, herbs like parsley and chives, and flowering plants like begonias and impatiens. Next, consider wind exposure. Balconies can be windy, especially on higher floors, and strong winds can damage plants and dry out soil quickly. But this challenge can be managed with proper plant selection and placement. Now let's talk about containers, because in balcony gardening, your containers are your garden beds. The good news is that almost anything can become a planter if it has drainage holes and is large enough for your plant's root systems. For vegetables, bigger is generally better. Tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants need containers that are at least 5 gallons, while herbs and lettuce can thrive in smaller pots. Root vegetables like carrots need deep containers, while leafy greens can grow in shallower ones. Consider vertical growing to maximize your space. Trellises, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets can help you grow up instead of out. This is perfect for vining plants like beans, peas, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Let's discuss soil, which is crucial for container gardening success. Never use garden soil in containers. It's too heavy and doesn't drain well. Instead, use a high-quality potting mix designed for containers. Good potting mix is lightweight, drains well but retains moisture, and provides the nutrients your plants need. It's worth investing in quality soil. It's the foundation of your garden's success. Now let's talk about what to grow. As a beginner balcony gardener, start with plants that are relatively easy and provide quick satisfaction. Herbs are perfect for this. They're useful, fragrant, and most are quite forgiving. Basil, parsley, chives, and mint are excellent starter herbs. They grow quickly, you can harvest them repeatedly, and there's nothing quite like cooking with herbs you've grown yourself. Lettuce and other salad greens are also perfect for beginners. They grow quickly, don't need deep containers, and you can practice cut and come again harvesting, where you cut the outer leaves and let the center keep growing. Cherry tomatoes can be very rewarding if with enough sun and space. Choose determinate varieties that stay compact. Provide support with cages and stakes. Peppers, both sweet and hot varieties, do well in containers and can be quite productive. They also add beautiful color to your balcony garden. Don't forget about flowers. Marigolds, nasturtiums, and zinnias are easy to grow from seed and add beauty to your space. Many flowers are also edible and can be added to salads for color and flavor. Let's address watering, which is crucial in container gardening. Containers dry out much faster than ground gardens, especially in windy or hot conditions. You may need to water daily during hot weather. The key is to water deeply, but not too frequently. Water until you see it draining from the bottom of the containers, ensuring the entire root system gets moisture. Consider installing a drip irrigation system or self-watering containers if you travel frequently or want to reduce daily maintenance. These systems can help ensure your plants get consistent moisture even when you're not there. Fertilizing is important in container gardening because nutrients wash out with frequent watering. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer when you plant, and supplement with liquid fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season. Let's talk about seasonal considerations. In most climates, you can garden on your balcony for much of the year, by choosing appropriate plants for each season and protecting tender plants from extreme weather. Cool season crops like lettuce, spinach, and peas can often be grown in fall and spring, while warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers thrive in summer. If you're ready to start your balcony garden, begin with a simple plan. Measure your space, observe sunlight and wind, and choose what you'd love to grow. Start small with just a few containers and easy plants. Thriving simplicity beats struggling abundance. Invest in quality basics like containers with drainage, good soil, and a few essential tools. Keep a brief garden journal to track what you plant and how it grows. Join online or local balcony gardening communities for advice and inspiration. Even the smallest balcony can become a thriving green haven that nourishes both body and spirit. Gardening reconnects us with nature, offers gentle movement, and brings the joy of nurturing life. Every gardener begins somewhere. Start where you are, with what you have, and let your plants grow together. Thank you for adding beauty to the world, one plant at a time. If this speaks to you, start this week with just one container and one plant. Keep growing your freedom fully.